Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we use matrices to find the inverse of a transformation. And this means we're given the transformation, we're given the image, and we use matrices to find the coordinates of the object. So in this question, we're told that the matrix B, which has elements 3, 1, -1, and -3, represents the transformation S. And S maps the point Q, which is our object, with coordinates x, y, onto the point Q dash, which is our image, with coordinates 8 and -4. We've been asked to find the coordinates of our object. So the way we do this is we set up a matrix equation. We have the coordinates of the object, x, y. We apply to this the transformation matrix, so 3, 1, -1, -3. And this product will give us the image 8 and -4. So to work out the coordinates of the object, we need to solve this matrix equation. So if we rewrite this as B multiplied by xy is equal to the image 8, -4, then we can find the inverse of this matrix B, so B to the -1, and we'll multiply both sides by this inverse. Then these two will cancel, so we're left with xy will be equal to the inverse of matrix B multiplied by 8, -4. And I'm going to work this out on my calculator. We'll choose menu, option 4. We'll define matrix A, which is our 2x2 transformation matrix, with elements 3, 1, -1, and -3. We'll define matrix B, which has 2 rows and 1 column, with elements 8 and -4. Then we'll go to option. We want matrix A. We need the inverse of this, so we'll press x to a -1 multiplied by matrix B. So option and matrix B. And we get the coordinates of our object, xy, will be 2.5 and 0.5. Okay? So in our next question, we're going to find the inverse of a three-dimensional transformation. Okay, so in this question, we've been given that N is this 3x3 transformation matrix. The point xyz maps to the point 753 under this transformation. We've been asked to find the exact values of x, y, and z. So perhaps you want to try this question yourself. You can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the worked solution. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So we've got the point xyz. This is our object. To this object, we're applying the transformation matrix N. And this will give us the coordinates of our image, which are 7, 5, and 3. So to solve this equation, we need to find the inverse of matrix N, which will apply to both sides. And then we know that these two will cancel. So xyz will equal the inverse of matrix N multiplied by the image 7, 5, 3. So I'll do this on my calculator. We'll call this matrix A and the image matrix B. So we'll go back to option. We'll redefine our transformation matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. And the elements 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, -1, and +1. We'll redefine our image. So option, define matrix, matrix B, with 3 rows and 1 column, with the elements 7, 5 and 3. So we'll clear this and we'll want matrix A inverse multiplied by matrix B, and we get the coordinates of our object, where x equals 2, y equals 1, and z is equal to 2. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's given you an idea on how to find inverse transformations using matrices. If you found that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download a full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com.